60 years, Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum has been offering opportunities to get out on the waters of America's largest estuary, enabling our guests to explore the history, environment, and culture of this special place. From our earliest years, we collected and exhibited historic watercraft, beginning with the sailing log bug-eye Edna E. Lockwood in 1967, and we have actively operated them at every opportunity. When the winner of numerous skipjack races, Rosie Parks, joined our fleet, we sailed in the skipjack races, and we still do. By 1980, we acquired our first Coast Guard inspected vessel, Mr. Jim, enabling us to share the history and ecology of our region on the water with students, teachers, and chaperones, one class at a time. On board Winnie Estelle, our community members have followed log canoe races, enjoyed night cruises during meteor showers, and celebrated weddings. Today we have more ways to get people out on Chesapeake Bay. Kids in our after-school programs and summer camps explore nearby waters by kayak. Each summer, guests cruise the Miles River aboard our historic watercraft like the Potomac River Dory boat, led by experienced and knowledgeable volunteer crew. And with the addition of cruise boat PATRIOT in 2023, now thousands more guests explore history through narrated tours.
My name's Lloyd Devigne. I'm a volunteer here at the Maritime Museum. I've been here for over 15 years and I do a variety of things, but one of the things I really enjoy doing is captaining the boats of the floating fleet. When we moved here about 20 years ago, I was looking for some volunteer opportunities because we were retired, and I saw a note about the Maritime Museum looking for docents. And I said, combination of history and maritime history and water sounds like a great fit. Joining the Maritime Museum as a volunteer and eventually becoming a captain was a real natural for me. And since I joined, I've accumulated over 10,000 hours of service, of which I'm very proud of. And there's a lot of memories in that, and I wouldn't mind doing another 10,000. There's a couple of really fun things that I like about what we do here. One is to have people explore this area that have never been here before and never been on boats like this. We offer something very unique. But every captain and every crew likes to spend more time on the water, and the waters around here are very beautiful. Well, a good day consists of a good crew and happy passengers and beautiful weather. And you just can't beat that out there. But the other fun thing about a good day is when somebody on board has that aha moment and comes to a realization that this is special and this is something they've never seen before. They've never seen a lighthouse from the water. Or even when you see little kids and they're looking over the side of the boat and they're always looking for sea monsters, and of course the closest we can get are some turtles or sea snakes, but still it's a thrilling moment. You know, I appreciate the opportunity of being able to run these boats. It's exciting. It's fun, it's rewarding. It has taught me a lot because I wouldn't be a captain if the Maritime Museum didn't provide this opportunity. It's exciting to cast off the dock every day and embark upon a new journey, and it's also exciting to come back home after a very successful cruise. Thank you, CBMM, for 60 fabulous years, and here's to many more.